Greetings, this is Carl from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and a question that's come up a few times regarding Zoom is that after you post the link to Blackboard or some other means of sharing it with the students, they've had trouble accessing it because of a password. And that has been an automatic setting that Zoom has implemented. I'm going to take a minute here to show you how to shut that off. Here we go. Alright, so here I am at my meetings page, and if you go to your recordings, you'll see there the full list of recordings that you've created. And just move in, say we're having trouble with this first one on the list here, you can move over to the share feature and open that up. And you can see right here that the password protection is on. Now, you could decide to keep that so that people who just have the link without the password could not access the video. Here you can see what the password is, and you can edit it if you want to, you can hide it, or if you wanted to, you can just shut it off. Now, if you wanted to save all that detailed information and share it with the students as opposed to shutting off the password, is that you could just copy all this information to the clipboard by clicking there. And you can see that it's copied. Now I can choose to shut that off. That'll remove that password protections. And you can see here just a couple other possibilities that you have in this screen is you could add a date when the link would no longer be accessible. You could allow viewers to download that, or only that on demand, or when someone wants to access this recording, they would have to register. So that's a quick way to get rid of that password if you'd like to. Oh, and one quick thing I wanted to add here is if you get rid of the password, you don't have to change the link. It remains the same link to the same recording. If you decided to keep the password, make sure you share that with your students. Take it away, Carl. If you have any questions about this or any other aspect of Zoom or how we can assist you in your course, feel free to reach out. Hope that was helpful. Be well and have a great day.